this is Rachel Hawkes, author of Mindful Parenting, 40 Mindful Moments to Share with Your Children. And I am running a little video series on lots of different techniques that you can use based on the book. So hopefully you can check the book out. The link will be below. But today I wanted to talk to you about the free resources that are going to be available on the website. So I have got some lovely little affirmation cards. So these are available on the website, and you can just go to the website, download them, print them and cut them out. I'm going to talk about affirmations today because they're a really, really powerful tool to use with children and adults, but obviously we're concentrating on how you can bring in some mindfulness, hopefully, with your family. Excuse my dog in the background, he's my little video companion. So I have picked some affirmations that I have liked to use with my children. My girls are now 12 and we have used affirmations for many, many years. They're basically words of positivity. So I don't know whether any of you are aware, but there's lots and lots of research about positive mindset. In the UK, it's been quite heavily embedded into education. And from what I can see in the States, the positive mindset attitude is really kicking off, which is brilliant. It's about providing tools to our children, and for me, mindfulness fits in beautifully with that. So I have created these cards because it's all very well saying the words, but actually being able to see them, and even if your children can't read yet, reading them out together can be really, really useful and can be used at any time of day. So how I've always used them, and everyone uses them in different ways, is I find ones I like and cut them out. I've used other ones before and made our own. And then I put them in a jar, and we call it our affirmation jar, or jar of affirmation. And every morning you get your children to pick out a card from that jar, and then that is their affirmation for the day. So you repeat it. That is the key with an affirmation. It is about the power of language and the power of words. So if you can find one that you like, I particularly like I can do it, which is why I created one of the cards with it. But there's I am happy, I believe in myself, I am a good friend, I love trying new things. So with lots of affirmations, they start with I, because the power is the acceptance and the belief that that starts with you. So regardless of what other people are doing, regardless of your world around you, you have that power within yourself to affect how you're feeling and thinking. So that's all the basis of mindfulness as well. So, which is why you'll see affirmations used a lot in a mindfulness practice. But they're a really easy way to get kids involved. So think of a phrase. You can get your kids to make their own. If they're a little bit older, I've also created a download for the older kids, which is, taking it that step further. So, I have confidence in myself, and words that they will relate to. Excuse me. So have a go at some affirmations, have a look at the website and see whether there's any there that you like. But you can find them everywhere on the web, or as I said, it's quite a nice activity, and we've done it before, of creating your own affirmations. But I think I'll talk about that in another video, because there's some really, really fun ways of doing that, and I particularly like a couple of them called Hand of Affirmation and an Affirmation Web. So, but we'll talk about that in another video, and in the meantime, check these out. They are free, you can just download them, and let me know how you get on with your affirmations, and happy affirmations. I hope you enjoy your mindful journey, and do feel free to check in on the other videos. Okay, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.